Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 33 1/3 record, and it has black paint on it, no doubt you can see that as well. And I am going to use, I have black, white, red and this pretty pink I made, so I thought I might just do a bit of a dirty pour on it. Now I have silicone in the, what's wrong with you? Oh, it's got this little bottom sticking out. Alright, so I've got silicone in the red. You can go back over there. These paints are actually holding my piece of silver paper down. And the white, and probably don't, but I will. Put a little bit of black. So I will just do this. I'm going to actually see what it looks like, but I have my spatula here. Now the recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you will find under show more down below the video. Here we go. Oh, I've put a bit of blue tack in the hole of the record. It's actually white, so it's probably should be called white tack, but it's not. And just letting some of this run around. It's going to be pretty. A little swirl about, see if I've got enough, which, yes, it is pretty. Alright, maybe a tad more here in the middle, and then using the trusty spatula, see what we have going to have. Very pinky. I don't know that I'm liking it, not at all. So on with the rest of the paint. And we'll see what we do. Round and around, it's going to get dizzy, eh? This way. Oops, slippery as. Get rid of some of that black there. And then bring it down. Get rid of some of this pink. When it's good and ready, okay, I really like it. Right, now I'm going to give it a little torch, some red, put a little bit of red there, that's okay. That looks nice. I'm just going to give it a little torch, and I really like that. That's come up very nice. Need to wipe my hands off a bit. Wow, that really is pretty. It's got such nice patterns in it. Alright, I'll bring you down to have a look If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell next to that word there below, and you'll be notified as I put up more videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. That's a big help to me. Doesn't cost anything. It's really cool. And down below you'll also find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to click on that and come across and join us. See the lovely patterns and the little cells and bigger cells. I like this red swirly part. Yes, that's really pretty. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, I ask, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.